Action! In this video, we're going to make a simple teriyaki sauce. So in front of you, we have water, soy sauce, a second bowl of water for the cornstarch to thicken the sauce itself. We have brown sugar, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Let's get started. So in a small pot, we are going to add our water, our soy sauce, brown sugar, our brown sugar, our garlic, and our ginger. Turn on the stove and bring this initial mixture to a boil, and then we're going to add our cornstarch and water slurry to thicken. So it's starting to boil now. We're going to add our cornstarch and water slurry. Just going to give it a stir. And then we'll turn off the stove, and that's it. At this point, you can re-season. If it's a little bit salty, you can add a little bit of water. If it's not salty enough, you can add a little bit of salt. You can adjust it, the sugar level, everything else. That's it. Ta-da!